Every day, our world becomes more digital, and somehow, we become less connected. We sit together, but we're miles apart, our attention pulled into glowing rectangles that fragment our presence and thin the bonds between us. Today's users are overwhelmed. Screens dominate work, relationships, even rest. Gen Z now spends over 9 hours a day on screens, triple what experts recommend. Conversations are interrupted, focus erodes, and loneliness climbs year after year. In-person social time has dropped nearly 70% for teens in just 2 decades. And for adults, meaningful face-to-face connection is shrinking worldwide. The result? A culture where presence is fading and people feel increasingly alone. But what if our technology didn't pull us away from the world? What if it brought us back to it? NIA introduces a new paradigm. A screenless by default interface where digital content appears only when you truly need it. An ambient AR layer lets you look through your world, not at a device, enabling emotional presence, natural interactions, and a way of living that puts humans, not screens, at the center again. Meet the NIA Nomadic Toolkit. NIA glasses function like beautifully designed everyday eyewear. Clear, adaptive, and comfortable. Their default state is fully transparent, but with an electrochromic opacity layer, they shift effortlessly into immersive mode when needed. They brighten and dim with the environment. They track key wellness indicators. They support progressive lenses. They're familiar, yet profoundly new. Next, the Signet, a discreet, elegant ring that transforms subtle hand movements into precise digital input. Type effortlessly, even with hands in your pockets. See a virtual keyboard projected into the air through your lenses. What sets it apart is that NIA carries an onboard AI assistant, a kind of admin or copilot dedicated to protecting your focus and attention. And at night, both devices return home to a sculptural charging cradle resting on a desk or floating on a wall like a piece of modern art. Imagine life with NIA, laughing with friends outdoors, totally present, working with deep focus, free from digital noise, cooking, creating, learning without distraction, typing a message with just a subtle flick of your hand. Technology becomes invisible, letting humanity come forward. Behind the scenes, the physical prototypes take shape, crafted through photogrammetry, meticulous modeling, and hands-on experimentation. Next steps include completing 2 museum-quality prototypes, advancing sensor research, exploring energy harvesting technologies, and preparing a bold investor pitch for the future of ambient computing. NIA isn't just a new product. It's a new relationship with technology, one that restores presence, strengthens connection, and brings us back to what matters most.